with a little Greenhouse 101. So today we're going to be potting up tomato plants. And I started these tomato plants in what's called an open flat, where I seeded them in rows. So I'm going to get you caught up to speed and show you how to even get to this point. And then we'll be potting up tomatoes into these larger celled trays. So here we go. Now here I have the luxury of having a nice potting tub with some good seed starting mix. So really you want to get some seed starting mix in here, and you want to give it a little watering, because what you don't want too much water, but you want just enough for this to hold together but easily be broken up. Really think the consistency of a wrung out sponge and you'll do just fine. So you want to take your open flat and you'll fill it with soil. And you don't have to pack it in. You want to get it in there loose yet full. And I usually give it a nice run around the top, so you can start like that. So you want to take, I'm going to use a Sharpie marker, and you can mark out rows. Just like that. And you just make your indents across that tray and give yourself a little row for seeds. So I've got a packet of tomato seeds here, and let me show you just simply, I probably have 25 to 60 plants in a row. So really, don't be afraid. They can actually be together pretty close. So you just want to take that packet of seeds and just lightly spread them right out within the row. Simply push back some of that excess soil, and then you can tamp them down just a little bit so there's a firm kind of seed bed right over the top of those seeds. So I'm going to use this 18 cell tray. You see they're nice and deep, and they'll be a good final resting spot for these tomatoes so they can get nice and substantive before they hit the ground. These are going to be planted into our Hoop House 1 for all you share members who drive by it every week. So I'll just put this in my tub, and there again, just get some potting mix right on top. And don't be afraid, just load up this tray just like that, get your hands in there, and once you got a nice amount on top, you can just smooth it out, making sure that you're filling up all these different cells. One should be as even as the next. We have some nice pink bumblebee cherry tomatoes. And you see in this row, I've been working down the row here transplanting. You just grab your tomato plant by the leaf very gently. And just I'm using a plant tag here, just a simple plastic plant tag. You can use a wooden popsicle stick. You could use, whatever, something just to get in there. So grab the leaf gently with your fingers and just tease out the tomatoes. And if two come out together, that's okay. You can just tease it apart like that. And the nice thing is, when you pot up your tomato plant by making a little indentation in that cell, you want to plant it right up to the leaves, because down this stem, you notice that the tomato stem is hairy. That will start sending out roots all the way down that stem. So in your indentation that you've made with your tool, just go ahead and get those roots set down in there, and then you can go just like that. Nestle that right in, right down to the leaves. Thanks for joining me. First episode of Greenhouse 101. We'll be back with you soon. That will show other seed starting tips. So we hope you enjoy it. Thank you.